welcome back. We have already discussed how method to solve non-homogeneous system, and in this video we will see the method to solve homogeneous system. What is a homogeneous system? In which RHS is equals to 0. System of linear equation in which RHS is equals to 0 is called as homogeneous system. So this is the method to solve homogeneous system. Ax equal to 0 because RHS is equals to 0. Now there are two conditions: if m is equals to n or m is not equals to n. Here m is number of equation, the number of equations in our system of linear equation, and n is number of unknowns or number of variables for which we have to find the solution. So m is equals to n and m is not equal to n. If m is equals to n, then there are two conditions checking. First is find out rank of A. So we can find out rank of A by converting the matrix into equivalent form of matrix and counting the number of non-zero rows is called as rank of matrix. So rank of matrix is equals to number of unknown, or determinant of A is not equal to 0. Rank of matrix is equals to n, or number of unknowns, or determinant of A not equals to 0. Then the solution is called as only trivial solution. And what is trivial solution? When the final solution of the variable is equals to 0, then the solution is trivial solution. So you can directly say by seeing rank of the matrix and determinant of a matrix that the solution is a trivial solution. Okay, now if m is equals to n and rank of the matrix is less than number of unknown, if m is equals to n, number of equation and number of variables are equal, and rank of the matrix A is less than n, then we can say infinite many non-trivial solution exists. And what is non-trivial solution? Here non-trivial means non-zero solution. Here trivial is the solution is 0 0 0, all the variable can be equal to 0, and in non-trivial solution variable, the value of variable can't be equal to 0. So what does it mean? The values can be like x can be as 1 2 minus 1 etc. So this type of solution is called as non-trivial solution. There are two types of solution: trivial solution, non-trivial solution. M is equals to n, m not equals to n. If m is equals to n and rank of A is equal to n, or determinant of A is not equal to 0, then the solution is trivial solution. And if rank of A is less than n, then infinitely many non-trivial solution exists. So this is the condition when number of unknown and number of variable, number of equation are same. Now if number of equation and number of unknowns are different or not equal, then there are two cases exist. The first case is if number of equation is less than number of variable. Number of equation is less than number of variable, then infinite many non-trivial solution exist. If number of equation is less than number of variable, then infinite many non-trivial solution exist. If number of variables is greater than number of equation is greater than number of variables, and rank of A is equals to n, then only trivial solution, and rank of A is less than n, then infinitely many non-trivial solution. So you can say that if m is not equals to n and m is greater than n, then if rank of A is n, then this is same. Here also only trivial solution, here also only trivial solution. And if rank of A is less than n, then infinite many non-trivial solution, infinite many non-trivial solution. So this is how, by looking at this chart, we can find out solution of any homogeneous system of equation. So please draw this chart. I am giving you so now you have already written it. You should stick in front of your table and revise it so that you can easily solve the questions on homogeneous system and non-homogeneous system which we have discussed in the previous video. So this is how we solve method to solve homogeneous system: when number of unknowns are equal, when not equal, when rank of A is equals to n or determinant of A equal to 0, then only trivial solution exists. Rank of A equal to is less than number of unknown, then infinitely many non-trivial solution exists. Then m is less than n, then infinite many non-trivial solution. If m is greater than n and rank of A is equals to n, then only trivial solution. If rank of A is less than n, then infinite many non-trivial solution. What is trivial solution? When solution is equals to 0, then it is called trivial solution. Solution other than trivial solution or non-zero solutions are called as non-trivial solution. That's it in method to solve homogeneous system.